everyone, I am super excited to share today's video with you. We are talking about divisibility rules and exploring the shortcuts for them. Whether you are preparing for the competitive examinations, this might be useful for you. So let us dive in and get started. First of all, the divisibility rule for 2. The divisibility rule for the 2 is any number should be divisible by 2 if its unit digit is any of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, if you observe clearly, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are all the even numbers. So that all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Or else, the number with the last digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 can be divisible by 2. Here, if we observe clearly, the last digit is 4, which is one of these numbers. So, it can be divisible by 2. If we take this number, here the last digit is 5, which is an odd number. So, it is not divisible by 2. Next, the divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. In the number 6954321, add all the digits in this number. By adding all these numbers, we get 30, which is divisible by 3. Next, coming to the 9, it is same as the 3. A number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, if we take this as an example, adding all these numbers, we get 30 now. So, 30 is not divisible by 9. So, this number is also not divisible by 9. That's it. Next, coming to the divisibility rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 when if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. When the number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4. For example, 376 or 4376. Is it divisible by 4 or not? If we check it now, the last two digits, we said that last 2 digits. This is divisible by 4 or not? 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4 and 4 4s are 16. That means 4 14s are 76. It is divisible by 4. So, this number also divisible by 4. Next, same for the 8. But here, last 3 digits can be divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. The number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. And for 10, it is very simple. Units digit. The number which is having the units digit 0 can be divisible by 10. For example, 100. Here the units digit is 0. And 2560. Here the units digit is 0. And 7940. Here the units digit is 0. So that here the unit digit 0. The numbers which are having the units digit 0 can be divisible by 10. Next, coming to the 5. The numbers which are having the units digit 0 or 5 can be divisible by 5. Here, these all the numbers are also divisible by 5. The numbers which can be divisible by 10 are always divisible by 5. For example, here we take 25. Here, the units digit is 5. It is divisible by 5. And if we take 10,455, here it is also having the units digit 5. So, it is also divisible by 5. If we take 10,050, here the units digit is 0. So, it is also divisible by 5. Next, coming to the 11. The difference between sum of its digits at odd and even places. The difference between sum of its digits at odd and even places. So, Let us take an example right now. For example, if we take 4, 9, 7, 8, 4, 3. So that here add all the numbers in even places and odd places. First of all, we take the odd places. 4 plus 7 plus 3. How much we get? We get 14. And now add the digits at even places. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 3. We get 20. We get 20. The difference between these two are 6, which is not divisible by 11. Here, if we get 11 or 0, if we get the difference 11 or 0, that should be divisible by 11. Next, coming to the 25, last two digits will be 00 or divisible by 25. The last two digits will be 00 or divisible by 25. Those numbers can be divisible by 25. Next, coming to the divisibility rule of 7 and 13. For checking the number that is divisible by 7 or 13, first of all, we have to divide the given number into the groups of 3 digits. Groups of 3 digits starting from the right and find the difference between the sum of numbers in odd and even places. Here we have an example. See here. Here we have a number of having totally 7 numbers. So here we are having a number of having totally 7 numbers. Divide them into groups of 3 digits from the right corner like this, and add the digits at right places. Add the digits on even places and subtract them from the odd places. So here 792 plus 4 minus 537, we get 259, which is divisible by 7 but not with the 13. It is divisible by 7 but not with the 13. How we have to find that it is divisible by 7 or 13? If the difference is 0 or it divisible by 7 or 13, if the difference is 0 or divisible by 7 or 13, it is divisible by 7 or 13. That's it. Next, coming to the 16, the divisibility rule of 16, last 4 digits divisible by 16. The number which is given, that should be divisible by 16 when the last 4 digits will be divisible by 16. And coming to the divisibility rule of 6, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, if the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6 also. Next, coming to the divisibility rule of 12, if the given number is divisible by 3 and 4, it is divisible by 12. And coming to the divisibility rule of 15, if the given number is divisible by 3 and 5, then it will be divisible by 15 also. Next, and after completing the class, you have to recall all the formulas which I have explained now, and you have to practice more for remembering all the rules. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and shortcut tricks.